morning, Daddy. Say, Daddy, good morning. Daddy, I love you. Oh, don't eat your hand. Eat your fingers, baby. Don't eat your fingers. Say, Daddy, how are you? Don't eat your fingers. No. No, baby, are you hungry? Don't eat your fingers. Yes. Tell Daddy a story. Tell Daddy a story. Ah, now she's eating her fingers again. Yum, 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 yum.